Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're decorating a spread in my Faith Layout Classic Size Happy Planner for the week of May 13th through the 19th. I'm going to be using Spring Fever. These are some really pretty florals that I've released previously in my shop. I'm going to pair it with some black and white grid washi, and I actually think I'm going to use boxes. I think we're just going to do some florals and some washi. That way I have plenty of room to write, and we'll see how it goes for this week. I didn't decorate or do any of my write the word, so unfortunately for the current week that we're in, I was trying to get all of my orders out for you guys, so I wasn't able to get any planning, journaling, any of that done. I spent the huge majority of my days getting orders filled. So unfortunately that happens sometimes because I do run the shop and the YouTube channel and everything by myself. But you know, it is what it is. So I've been doing very well with my videos and getting orders out and things up until this past week. And I always say orders are my top priority. YouTube is not. So there's that. Okay, so now I want to do the bottom corner down here. I think we're going to use this pretty sticker. This is going to be a very simple spread. Very simple. I do like using boxes, but you don't always have to use boxes. So I'm also going to be working on, over the next couple weeks, starting some Bible journaling in my Bible and a prayer journal. So I want to share those ideas and some videos on those things with you guys. So it's just, you know, like I said, coming up in the next couple weeks, hopefully I'll have some content geared towards that stuff for y'all. As well as the James method verse mapping occasionally. I think I'm going to kind of do like a combination of everything. Just whatever content I guess is on my mind and in my heart for that week is what I'll share with y'all. So let's see. Do I need to add... I don't know if I want to add anything else or not, y'all. I don't know. Let's put some washi down and see what happens. So let's take the grid washi and just go all the way across the bottom here. And then we'll cut this excess off and use it on the other side. My non-stick stickers are scissors are sticky. Yeah, non-stick scissors that are sticky. All right, so I know this side is going to be a little bit wider than the other side, but I'm not going to fuss with it much. I'm just going to leave it be. Okay, that's really cute. So I'm wondering, let me see if I can find my zig dot markers, and maybe we'll do like some bullet points or something just to bring in a little bit more color. Let me see what I can find. Okay, so I found an Artist's Loft, like a pink color, and then a zig clean color dot single in the lavender. So let's just kind of put a couple dots here and there and see. Oh, I'm trying to move my chair and it's squeaking. Let's see what we can do. So we can do one dot. Why don't we just put a couple dots? And I can never space these out evenly or make the dots the same size. So just bear with me here, okay? Let's just pretend that I can. Let's pretend that I know what I'm doing. All right, so I think I'm just going to put a dot like on each, just one dot on each day. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just trying to bring a little bit more color into the spread is all I'm trying to do. And then over here, I think I'm going to do some lavender dots. And then we'll do lavender here. And then maybe a couple here. Let's do 3. Okay, Oliver, you got to be quiet. All right, excuse me. Gosh, my voice got hoarse all of a sudden. Okay, so I think that's going to be it for this spread. Very simple, just florals in the corners, some grid washi, and some dot markers. I have plenty of room to write in my face planner for next week. So I hope you guys enjoyed this super quick video. It's a very simple spread, very pretty, but still very, very functional. Again, you can find the Spring Fever stickers, matching kits, on my website, in my shop. All of my stickers are 50% off. So that is pleasantlyplanned.com. So if you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and make sure you follow me over on Instagram as well. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Love y'all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.